Today, a customer came in holding a broken socket wrench. Instead of tossing it, he decided to make a brand new one on the spot. First, he used a caliper to take precise measurements. Then he picked out a piece of scrap-around steel. After nearly 30 minutes of lathe work, the rough shape of the socket began to take form. He applied blue marking dye to the surface and used a hammer and center punch to mark the layout for the hexagonal hole. Using the same method, he carefully ensured the hole's dimensions and vertical alignment met the standard. Next came the fine machining. He drilled out the center step by step, starting with a small drill bit and working up to a larger one. Once the initial hole was made, he switched to a boring tool to slowly and precisely widen the inner cavity. Then, holding the partially finished socket with tongs, he fired up the torch and began heating the metal evenly. The socket glowed red hot under the flame. Once it reached the right temperature, he hammered the nut directly into the center hole. After over an hour of careful craftsmanship, the new socket was finally complete. He finished by sanding off any surface flaws, leaving behind a smooth, polished tool, fully functional and built entirely by hand.